on Eid UL ADHA or Yawm al-Nahr. Number one, that have a bath early in the morning. Number two, put perfume on yourself. It's a sunnah. Number three is that wear the best of your clothes. Number four, say the takbirat. Number five, preferable, do not eat anything before the Eid prayer. Number six, go to pray early. Number seven, that it is recommended that all the women, including the children, including the menstruating women, should go for the Eid Salah, even if they don't have to offer Salah or they don't have to go to the Musalla. And when you come back from Eid prayer, see to it that you take another route, not the same route in which you went for the Eid Salah. And preferable to pray Eid Salah in a Musalla, in an open ground, which is called as Eidgah. Now, what is the reason that our beloved Prophet ﷺ recommended that all the women and the children, including the menstruating women, should go for the Eid Salah, even if they don't have to offer Salah, even if they don't have to go and pray? What is the reason? Why the Prophet said that you go from one route and when you come back, take the other route? Why did he say that pray in a large place, Eidgah? For all this, we come to know that the reason is so that it boosts the morale of the Muslims. Normally, we Muslims offer 5 times Salah in congregation in the mosque. Once a week in Jummah, we have a bigger congregation. We pray in the Jummah mosque. The congregation is multiple times bigger than what congregation we have during the 5 times Salah. And twice in the year, during the Eidain, the Eid al-Fitr and Eid UL ADHA, the Prophet recommended that you pray in an open ground known as the Eidgah. Why? So that a larger number can gather. Imagine if you're living in a village and during the Eid Salah, come to know there are 30,000 Muslims, there are 40,000 Muslims. The morale of the Muslims is boosted. And if you're living in an area which has got non-Muslims also, the non-Muslims will think 10 times before interfering with the Muslims. Oh, the Muslims are 30,000 in number, 40,000 in number. Imagine if you're living in a big city and if you pray in one Eidgah in which 100,000 gather or a few 100,000 gather. Imagine the scenario. It will boost up the morale of the Muslims. And at the same time, would give a non-Muslim thought that they better not interfere with the Muslims. This is the psychology for which, what is the reason that the beloved Prophet ﷺ even told the women and the children to go, even the women if they're menstruating. Pray in Eidgah. When you go through one way, come through the other way, not the same way. Why? So that the other people in the other locality of that village, of that town, or that city know, the Muslims are going in large numbers. If you go through route A, come back through route B. So that the people of route A also come to know, the people of route B also come to know that Muslims are in large number. The next important point, when you come back, if you have the means, you sacrifice an animal. If Allah has given you the means. Later on, you go and meet your family friends. It's the day of celebration.